In this quick tutorial, I'm going to explain you how to use WhatsApp Business into phones. So basically, what you're gonna have to do, first of all, you just have to install WhatsApp Business. Then you just have to open it, log in into your account. Now, after you do that, what we're gonna have to do is simply open the App Store or Google Play Store and then simply search for Parallel Space and then install this app here. So basically you can clone apps. So basically you can use as many WhatsApp accounts you want using this app. Now the only problem with this app is that it has a lot of ads, so I'm not gonna open it because there are a lot of ads. But as you can see, you can clone games, mobile apps, etc., and you can log in into the same or a different account as many times as you like. So basically that's all you have to do. Thanks for watching, guys.